Hey guys, look what I have here. A $5 scratcher, high voltage cash from the North Carolina Education Lottery. There's a bonus, and I did 3 of the 4 winning numbers. And then I found me a symbol, a winning symbol. So the lightning symbol, hence high voltage, or 5x and 10x. The ticket number is number 30. Top prize 200,000. That sounds pretty good. I wouldn't sneeze at 200 grand, would you? It's a start. Who's putting their $2 chance in for the $1 billion Powerball tomorrow? I just bought a quick pick. I'm not going to invest too much money, but I do know you have to be in it to win it. Okay, let's see. I was looking for a matching number. Let's say the other number. 20. So far we have the symbol. 11, 14, 20, and 31. So far we got a symbol. Let's see. Oh, God, I'm not even showing you this. Power bonus. Reveal 2 matching symbols, win prize shown. A bell and a hat. That's not matching. Okay. Let's see what we got to start the weekend off. We got our money back. Enjoy your day.